Okay, I have to share with you. You know how you hear about one man's trash is another man's treasure? Well, this unit here, this is a portable air conditioner, dehumidifier, 2-speed, on a timer. You do it on a timer. That was in the trash. I asked if anybody knew about it, and they really did. It was on the boat. I found out it was on the boat over there, way over there. But they threw it out because they said it was dirty. So I went ahead and got it. I pulled all the screens out, and they were just clogged with dirt and clug, and there was dog hair and all of that on all of these vents, those two and two back there, and the exhaust hose was gone, of course. So I brought it back, cleaned all them out, ordered a new hose, a new vent boot, and clamps for it. It cost me about 30 some, almost $40 for those. But anyway, this is about secondhand like this. They're still about 250 bucks. So I got this baby for free, and cleaned it up, and it looks good. I mean, I said this was all really dirty and nasty. That's when they threw it out. But a little bit of clean, and it looks like it's brand new almost. When I get the hoses and stuff for it and I put it up, I'll show you more on it, but I just wanted to share this little bit with you. Well, I just got the stuff to hook up that air conditioner I got. This is my Flex thing. This will stretch out to 5 foot. Got some big clamps to put it on. But what I didn't, and this is the boot that should work, but it doesn't. It's actually too big for that vent, because the hose should go on the outside, but it's too small. So I have to either shrink this down, take and crimp this and make this smaller, or somehow be able to stretch this out to fit over that. Might be able to if I heat it enough to do it, but I'm not really sure. I'll be experimenting, but this should fit through my portal. I have to put something around it to fit it in my portal, but that's the plan for it. And I'll show you the steps along the way. Well, I wrote down and tried to finish fixing this thing up. It's not really the way it should be, but I have kind of jerry-rigged up in there. I got my boot up there, and that's just all taped up in there and down the side. Back is okay. I haven't got pulled out all the way, but originally when this started, this was reading like 84. Jumped back up to 80. But it's only on low, cool. At least it's running. It feels cool. I just got it going just a little bit ago, so we'll give a little bit of time and see if it works. Because until then, this thing was the temperature gauge up here. You can see it was well above, just above 90. It's already dropped about 3 degrees. So we'll give it a little bit of time. It's not perfect, but hopefully it'll help a little bit. Okay, it's been actually that hour and a half. This has been running. It says 80 right now. It was actually 84 when I moved out of the way. The actual temperature was 84 in here, and now it's down to 80. But it's taken an hour and a half to do that. You have to realize we're in a plastic shell here with the sun beating down on it. Sun beating down up outside here, it really heats it up and conveys the heat right inside the boat. Let's see what we got thermometer wise now. Okay, we're down. It's almost 10 degrees cooler in here than it was in there. Like I said, that's down, it's like 4 degrees cooler, but that's where all the heat is right now because the vent going out, it's hot air going out the vent, so that's staying a little warmer. But it's definitely progress. If I'd have started this earlier, we'd be cooler right now. But at least it's going now.